Welcome back, everyone. My name is Anthony. This is my channel. This is my shop. Jude's making a lot of noise over there in one bay, changing control arm, and I'm going to show you how to properly diagnose a belt squeak or a rattle from the serpentine belt area.
Properly diagnose.
Correct, properly. This is and this is just a small part of what it takes to figure that out. So let me just take you through the basics. One, if you have a belt noise and a rattle, it could be simply from the belt being worn out, stretched, dry rot, cracked, past its useful lifespan, meaning it's been on there for 10 years and it's never been changed. And it's stretched to the point to where it's not doing its job anymore. Now, there's some other systems out here that are called stretch belts, and there is no tensioner. The belt is the tensioner. So if you understand what I'm saying, the material is sprung, so there is no tensioner. So if that belt is making noise, it's either a mechanical issue causing it or the belt has failed, or both. So let's move into the mechanical tensioner on this vehicle here, and we're going to start with the bad. I took the pulley off. So if you look here, let me get my tungsten. You guys know what tungsten's used for? TIG welding. So if you look at the gap right here, look, there's a giant gap, and then this is the stop. So sometimes when the belt is stretched or there's the wrong components on the car and you have the right belt, the tensioner is maxed out. That's what we call it. And then these two rattle against each other. And then also these two pieces could rattle against each other too from being worn out. So you notice the gap, watch the gap. And then I'm going to turn it. And watch the gap disappear. All right, so this tensioner is completely wiped out. The insides of this piece are rocking and cocking. So if you look at this, look at the consistency of where the tensioner is. All right, so not only does the internals fail, but the spring loses its strength. So there's a lot of different things on why your belt is squeaking and making noise. You need to identify the system. You need to actually check out the parts properly and figure it out. I hope that this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.